Dober dan in lep pozdrav. Ta tiskovna konferenca je sklicana zaradi donacije, ki jo je napravilo ameriško veleposlaništvo v naši državi. Donirali so nam ultravioletni sterilizator zraka, v bistvu gre za robotsko napravo, ki lahko z UV žarki sterilizira prostore. In predstavnik ameriškega veleposlaništva je gospod major Kim, ki bo seveda, verjamem, tudi nekaj povedal. In pa naprava sama je na oddelku na Kliniki za otorinolaringologijo, zato je tukaj tudi predstavnik klinike dr. Lanišnik in predstojnik seveda. Hvala lepa.
Okay. Dober dan. It is such an honor to be here with all of the frontline workers. It's been a really hard year for all of us, but what we can say from the U.S. Embassy and on behalf of the United States European Command is that we're very grateful for everything that the frontline workers have been doing. And this was our way to just cooperate and show our gratitude in all that Slovenian service members are doing. And the technology that we provided was to highlight the ingenuity of the Slovenes and really just how remarkable it has been working together. We have a great relationship with URSSR, and through them we received a list of the critical needs from all the different ministries who are fighting COVID right now, and that's how we were able to determine the UVC tower, which is a long-term solution, so that even after COVID, that we can still protect and save lives for both not only the medical workers and first responders, but also the patients. So again, on behalf of the U.S., we want to thank everybody, especially the team here, for what you do. And I will say this in Slovene. Hvala za vašo... Hold on, I'll try it again. Hvala za vašo predanost. Hold on, I'm going to try it again, so please, I hope this isn't live. Hvala za vašo predanost in ostanite zdravi. Ja, hvala.
Hvala, še predstojnik.
Dobar dan, lepo pozdravljeni. Ambasadi Združenih držav in pa Evropskemu poveljstvu ameriških oboroženih sil se zahvaljujemo za to donacijo, ki je pristala na naši kliniki za otorinolaringologijo, ki bo omogočala bistveno lažjo dezinfekcijo in pa sterilizacijo prostorov, kar je pomembno potem tudi za oskrbo vseh naših bolnikov sedaj in pa tudi v prihodnosti. Hvala lepa še enkrat. Ostanite zdravi, kot je rekel Major Kim.
Hvala. Zdaj, če še slučajno za kako vprašanje.
Yes, yes.
You were saying that the machine was made by Slovenes?
That's correct. Yes, so while we were doing research, we found that this technology, this UVC technology, worldwide was being found as a very effective method for disinfecting large surface areas. And early on, we were doing research, and we really wanted to highlight, again, Slovene ingenuity. And as we were researching, there were several companies, but ultimately UVC Solutions, which we found here, met all of the rigors and standards that we were looking for a high-quality technology to provide for a long-term solution. So that's how we came about that. And we were so grateful that it was a Slovene company at the end of the day that was able to provide such a great product. Yeah, here's our UVC solution. If you have any specific questions about the technology.
And such machines also went to other Slovenian hospitals, right?
That is correct. As I mentioned, as we were speaking with URSSR, the Ministry of Health and the Ministry of Labor, we worked with them very closely, and they identified which sites needed them the most. And so based on what we could provide, we were spreading them throughout the country. And what's great about this technology is that it's mobile, so it doesn't have to stay at one facility. And we hope we can at least be part of the solution. Any other questions? All right, thank you.